Check.
Springatito, Condom, and again? Was it the same way? No? Intriguing. The artwork on this is pretty cool.
If it's a Flutterman.
Look what, and
Don't crash out. Don't crash out.
Ooh.
I literally said, if it's a Flutterman.
If it was a Flutterman.
If it's a Flutterman.
Punkaboo, Houndour, and...
Okay, it wasn't another Flutterman. I don't like Fluttermans anymore.
Why?
They're my worst enemy.
Why?
An easy way to open these packs is to grab hold right there and just...
Oops, I forgot you were opening a pack. Alright, Punkaboo, Ghastly, and...
Yay.
Not a Flutterman! What you do this? Umbreon. We go to Umbreon. So Umbreon. Can I be Gengar? Nope. Pikachu!
I don't know how my voice cracked so bad. Going, Pikachu!